is long. Exhale, slowly lower the chest, draw the shoulder blades together, squeeze. Inhale in here, exhale to press up. Inhale, slowly drawing the shoulder blades together, chest lowers. Exhale, chest lifts. Continue just a couple more rounds with the sound of your breath. Let's do one more. Inhaling to lower the chest, shoulder blades. And after your third breath, inhale in, use the exhale to come all the way back to all fours. We'll finish with a little scap push-up. So come to tabletop position, spread the fingertips wide. Inhale, broaden through the chest by pressing gently up and out of the yoga mat, away from the earth. Inhale in here, gaze slightly forward.